Guys, Thursday morning, doing a walkthrough of the SEMA show 3-4 days before actual show opening, and it is a crazy madhouse of carpet almost being laid, pieces of exhibits, exhibit crates, banners hanging up, tow motors running around everywhere. It is a crazy scene, but it's really cool to see the booth show floor like this and then know in 3 or 4 days it's going to be a beautiful, carpeted, clean, amazing wonderland, when right now there is just trash everywhere and these big giant dinosaurs over here just cruising through. So good to be back on the show floor. We had a hiatus for so long that this is just a great feeling to be back at it and be back doing what we love. Day before show opens. Show opens tomorrow, 9 a.m. Kind of give you a little behind the scenes of what the hall looks like. Amazing difference since the last time we were looking at it, which has been 3 or 4 days ago. So we're walking through, and I'll spin the camera around and give you guys a nice little preview of what we're going to see tomorrow morning. Now walking the show opening day, looking at everything that's out here and getting a good feel for where we are. I'm going to take you through a nice little walk down through the main aisle of Central Hall, SEMA opening day 2021. So that gives you a good feel for how crowded and crazy the show floor is. It's been an amazing show already today. We've been walking around, having a good time. So check in and do some more, shooting some more cars, and get some good feel for the rest of the show. I've basically been in this hall the entire time, so we're gonna go check out the other hall, but this hall seems quite crowded, and it's very good.